sound of short E. Like egg. Now you know the short E. Let's shout yippee! Welcome to Fat Cat Phonics. This video will cover the short vowel E sound. Once you know the short E, you'll be ready to sound out words in The Adventures of Fat Cat. Let's dive in. The letter E can make different sounds. Short E sounds like the in egg. Take a look at my mouth. Can you see how I make the sound? Egg. Got it? Let's make the sound together. Egg. Great job. Your turn.
Egg.
Great work. Now, can you think of any other words that begin with the sound? Ooh, what about elephant? Elephant. Can you think of another? Yeah. Elevator. Let's try it together. Elephant. Elevator. Great work. Words like egg, elephant, and elevator all start with the sound. But what happens when the is in the middle of the word? Well, now that you know the short E sound, you can sound outwards. You want to try? D. Bed. Let's try another. What if the B is now an R? D. Red. Doing great. Let's try a new word. T. Jet. Now let's swap our J for a W. Wet. So good. Now let's hear you sound out these words. D. Bed. D. Red. J. T. Jet. T. Wet. Great work. Let's have some fun. Let's play a short E game. Can you help me sound that out? Hen. Now, to play the game, we have to find eggs for Red Hen. But she only wants eggs that have short E words on them. Can you find the short E? Pan. Pen. Pen. There's the short E. Let's get that egg to Red Hen. Great work. Let's try another. Can you find the short E? Tan. Ten. You got it. Short E says 10. Are we right, Red Hen? Great work. One more. Let's see. Leg. Log. Does log have a short E sound in it? Nope. No short E sound in log. It's leg. You knew it. Let's get Red Hen her egg.
Yeah.
work with short E. Now you're ready to read The Adventures of Fat Cat. Or, if you'd like to keep learning more letter sounds, we've got videos. And don't forget, after you read the story, check out the worksheets in your book. The more you do, the better your reading will get. And I want you to become a super reader.